Using a Regions Bank ATM is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, locate a Regions Bank ATM near you, either by using the bank's website or mobile app, or by looking for the Regions Bank logo on the machine. Once you have found an ATM, insert your card into the card reader and enter your personal identification number or PIN to authenticate your account. Next, select the type of transaction you want to perform from the menu options, such as withdrawing cash, checking your account balance, or depositing funds. If you are withdrawing cash, choose the account you want to withdraw from, such as your checking or savings account, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. The ATM will then dispense the cash and provide you with a receipt. To deposit funds, select the deposit option and choose the account you want to deposit into. You can deposit cash or checks, and the ATM will guide you through the process. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions and verify the amount you are depositing. It is also important to practice good security habits when using a Regions Bank ATM. Always cover the keypad when entering your PIN, and avoid using the ATM in isolated or poorly lit areas. Additionally, regularly review your account statements to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. In case you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact Regions Bank customer service for assistance. They can help you with any problems you may be experiencing and provide additional guidance on using the ATM. By following these steps and practicing good security habits, you can safely and easily use a Regions Bank ATM to manage your accounts and conduct financial transactions.